Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to use QR code scanner in Infinix Hot 11s smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. So this is a barcode. So you need to open Smart Scanner in the Infinix phone. You can allow the permission. Now we scan this page. You can find the barcode is scanned successfully and see the result. We scan another one. Now this one is also scanned. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.